This right here is what we call the mole roadmap. Now I want to teach you how to use it a little bit. There are four parts to the mole roadmap. There's the mole right here in the middle. There's mass out here. Mass is usually measured in grams. And representative particles, which is usually molecules or atoms, or representative units, molecules. And volume of gas, which is usually liters. Moles is always measured in moles. We're going to learn how to convert in between each of those units. Now, let's say we start with something. We say we have 25 grams of oxygen. So 25 grams of O2. We're starting with 25 grams of O2. Now, first thing we look is we say, okay, where would that belong? Well, we know grams are a mass, and so we're going to start our journey right here. And we want to know how many liters of gas that is. So we're trying to get up to volume of gas. So our journey is going to look something like this, right up here. Our first step in the journey is right here. So we have 25 grams to start on our chart here, and we know the first thing we'll write is 1 mole over the molar mass. Molar mass of oxygen, since it's 2 oxygens, we have 32. And then the next step in our journey is 22.4 over 1. So we draw another line and have stuff over here just like that. And after we punch that in, times the top together, times the bottom together, divide the top by the bottom, and we will have our answer in volume of the gas. Now, this can work going any different direction. Let's clear this right now. It'll work going just like this too, if we want to get from grams to representative particles. If it asks how many molecules are in a certain substance or a certain amount of grams of substance, so you just follow that, and then we'd be going through that and that. But let's say we're going from here up to there. Well, then we'll be using this equation and this equation. But if we're going from here to here, we'd be using this equation and then this equation. Or if we were going from here to here, we'd be using this equation and this equation. And I hope you understand the point there, how you follow the mole roadmap. You just plug that into your chart, into your tables there, and it should give you the answer. But don't let this become a crutch to you. You should be able to do it without the mole roadmap, but if you don't know how to do it at all, the mole roadmap is a good place to start. And by the way, this picture of the mole roadmap is not mine. It is from another source, so I didn't want to take credit for that.